So this is an example of a room in the French Village. This is one of the quieter areas where you have fewer kids' activities by the pool, but it does have its own pool. When you first walk in, you can see that when you come in, you've got a mirror on one side, and then you have the ubiquitous television that's there, so in case you want to watch anything. This particular room has 2 queen-size beds, but they also come with a king-size bed as well. And as always, they have the adorable towel art, and they redo those every single day when they come into the room to make it up. One other thing too, there is another sleeping option. This chair actually pulls out, and the chair has a mattress inside, so if you want to have someone sleep on the mattress, you can do that as well. When you look out, every room has a balcony or a way to get to the outside, which is kind of nifty. This is on the first floor, and as you can see, it overlooks the French pool, which is an absolutely gorgeous pool and pretty quiet as well. You can see this way there is Café de Paris, and then also a little bit further is where the stage and some of the nightlife happens. The shows, however, do end about 8:30 or so, or 9 o'clock, so it's not super late. The doors do actually open, so you can come outside and see everything that's out here for yourself. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's not super loud. Out here, you'll see plenty of lizards. I've got 2 skidding away from me on the balcony as it is. But as you continue to look around, you can see that each balcony has a little seating area. So if you want to grab yourself a cup of coffee and have something in the morning, or sit out and enjoy the music or the shows or just the views while you're enjoying your quiet time away from some of the other activities and pool, you can absolutely do so. Don't tell anyone, but when I am out at the pool, I will often leave my door unlocked so that if I need to come in for a quick restroom break or just want to change and get ready for dinner, I can actually just come in through my balcony, or not my balcony, I will tell you that there are plenty of times, don't tell anyone else, that I leave the door unlocked so that if I'm at the pool or out and about and want to come in, rather than walking around, I'll just come through my doorway. Another thing that we have over here is your bar set. So you've got coffee in the morning if you want to make anything for yourself. And then the other important thing is every room has a refrigerator. You can let them know if you need wine or beer and exactly what kind you want, but it does come stocked with water, juices, soda, and then you can also request that beer and wine. I will say that although they do have coffee here, this is what I consider to be emergency coffee. If I really want coffee, I am going to go over to Café de Paris, especially since it's so close, and get a fancy coffee. There is plenty of storage space in the drawers for you. In addition, you also have a closet. The closet is not huge, but it is lit. So it opens on both sides. As soon as you open it, light turns on. And then the important thing here too, you've got umbrellas. If it happens to rain, every single room at the resort has an umbrella, so you're not stuck. It also has a safe. This is not a huge safe, but you set it with your own password, and it's easy to do, so it's a great place to put your wallet, since you're not going to need it the entire time you're here, as well as your laptop, phone, computer, whatever else you want to keep safe and secure in a safe. The other critical piece is that there is another critical piece. You have your bathroom. One nice feature is that it does have your sink, so you can get ready outside or wash your hands without having to wait for whoever is in the bathroom. In the actual bathroom, you of course have your toilet. My favorite thing, just a cute little touch, because everything Beaches does has that extra little touch, is that your toilet paper roll will always have this absolutely cute little bow tied on it when you first check in. Another favorite I have, there is the Red Lane products for your bath. They will continue to replenish these. This is my favorite part about coming here. Well, I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but they've got the shampoo, body wash, conditioner, and body lotion. I will tell you the shampoo is missing right now, but I promise you it's here, as well as a sewing kit, Q-tips, and cotton balls. In here again, you've got your sink, as well as the mirror, and the old people, oh my God, how did I get this old mirror? So you can see exactly all of those wrinkles as well as the stray hairs, and shave yourself appropriately, men. You'll always have enough towels. If you ever need any more, simply ask and they will send them to you. And then every room also has a shower. This one has a tub. Some of them are tubs separate from the shower. This one has it included. With that, just a quick look at what it is. And then also, if you can see, it has the swimsuit drying clothesline. So if you come inside and want to have your stuff drying out, you've got that. A lot of the rooms also will have a drying thing outside on the balcony so that you can leave it there as well. So what do you think? This is a super quick tour of the French room at Beaches Resorts, Turks and Caicos. Have a fantastic vacation.